Welcome to Busan, South Korea, a city of colorful hills, fresh seafood, family-friendly attractions, and beautiful beaches. Let's explore the must-see spots. This is Gamcheon Culture Village, often called the Santorini of Korea. Bright houses climb the hillside, filled with murals, art shops, and winding alleyways. Every corner feels like a postcard. Visit early morning for fewer crowds. Wear comfortable shoes, there are many stairs, be respectful, people still live here. This is Busan Tower, located in Yeongdusan Park. From the top, you'll see wide views of the city, mountains, and Busan's busy port. Best on clear days. Visit late afternoon or after sunset for city lights. Easy to combine with nearby shopping areas. This is Zooraji, an indoor kids park inside Shinsegae Centum City Mall, designed for young children with safe play zones and creative activities. Perfect for families traveling with kids. Great for rainy days or afternoon breaks. Check age limits before entry. Parents can enjoy cafes and shopping nearby. This is Jagalchi Fish Market, Korea's largest seafood market. Fresh fish, live seafood, a true taste of Busan. Choose your seafood downstairs and have it cooked upstairs. Visit late morning to early afternoon. Ask prices before ordering. Best for seafood lovers. This is Haeundae Traditional Market, a lively street market just steps from the beach. Street food, local snacks, and everyday Korean flavors fill the narrow lanes. Best visited evening tonight. Try hotteok, fish cakes, and tteokbokki. Bring small cash and come hungry. This is Haeundae Beach, Busan's most famous shoreline. Wide sandy beaches, luxury hotels, cafes, and a vibrant city vibe. Best in early morning or sunset. Summer is lively but crowded. Great for families and first-time visitors. This is Gwangali Beach. After sunset, the Gwangan Bridge lights up, creating one of Busan's most iconic night views. Visit after dark. Weekends can be busy, perfect for evening walks and photos. From colorful villages to kid-friendly fun, from fresh seafood markets to glowing beaches at night, Busan truly has something for everyone. If you're visiting South Korea, Busan belongs on your travel list.